His first adjustment?
His first adjustment,
See
because
that? I didn't-
I'll never forget, we were on the outside table, and we had his first adjustment. He was 15 months,
Yes, 15.
hadn't taken a step yet, and wave to the camera, dude. This is about you. Yeah. And we sat, put him down, and we adjusted him. I put him on the ground, and then had you on the table, went to adjust you, and then as we went to adjust you and looked up, he was gone, and you were all freaking out where he was, and I thought, wow, babies, they walk away, but I had forgot that he hadn't taken a step yet, and after his first adjustment, we put him down, and off he went along the wall, and he hasn't slowed down since, right? Yeah.
Except when he goes on the dirt bikes.
Then he slows down.
He's a little bigger now. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Right.